Hey, what is up guys? This is 3G Dimps and I am so excited. And over here we have the chassis mount wing. Got all the tools set up, ready to install. This is what you're gonna need to install the chassis mount wing. You're gonna need a electrical drill. You're gonna need a cutting blade, cutting saw. You're gonna need a drill, an impact. You're gonna need electrical ratchet, a ratchet, 15 sockets, small and large, 10 millimeter of course, and then 2 extensions you are gonna need. Y'all can get bigger ones, smaller ones, whichever. Y'all gonna need a set of Allen wrenches, a flathead, pliers, and an adjustable wrench. These are all the tools you're gonna need to install this chassis mount wing. I cannot wait for this. Let's see how my little markings right here. Those little white dots right there. No, you can't see them, but it's all the markings.
A recurring segment on our show called Explain That Gram, where we do a deep dive.
So right now I'm deciding to keep or take off this because I want to keep the big wing, of course. So this one is no longer going to be on the car, so I have to take it off. So as you can see, it's sitting pretty nice right here. We measured everything, measurements, and put everything in the middle. See how I have this tape? Tape is for the middle. So I already have everything marked. I have everything straight. So the big bolts are gonna go right here. I don't know if you can see, I put them at the bottom. On this piece I haven't tightened them up because it's still gotta adjust. Those 4 bolts. The same big bolts used for the brackets. I used 3 and 3. And the same right here for the X. This X piece right here, it goes like that. Have the big bolts. I just measured everything and put it in the middle. So as you can see, this bumper right here that I have was a decoy and I didn't freaking mess it up. But I'm going to be showing y'all how to do it like my car over there. We can barely see it, but yeah. Anyways, so on this back piece right here where your license plate goes, there's going to be a bracket. So everything bolts up right here, right? So you're going to have this metal plate that goes right here and then it cuts this way. Straight and then cut this way. So you're gonna cut off this whole flat piece, right? You're gonna keep these pieces right here. Have everything mounted up. So the bracket goes like that. So you're gonna cut that way. This one has a bracket too. Cut that way. Whole piece, I literally cut it off of mine. But I don't have the flat layer that's right here anymore. But just this piece right here. Also, another thing right here. Oh, I have to show you on my other one. Y'all guys are gonna line it up all the way up, and it's gonna be this first little piece. I know it's flat right here. It's almost to the last. Shoot, It's almost to the last piece right here, this last screw. But you don't want to cut that. You're gonna want to cut straight right here to this, and then cut diagonal right here. Cut across like that. Same thing on the other side. Right here. Go straight up. Sorry. Go straight up right here. Hit this piece. Cut at an angle right here. Do not cut this. You're gonna need it. Cut right here. Cut this way. Make sure you do it perfect, because man, good thing I had a decoy bumper to do this. So as you can see, I got the other bumper on. Did a lot of other modifications that I had to do to get the bumper on. I will be showing y'all in another clip, but for now, that's how it looks right now. So to get this wing on, we have the little bolts on top. The little bolts right here, I put them on the middle bracket right here. You can see the middle bracket. All the same, tying them up. Then the same little bolt you use for the wings, y'all put them right here. One right here. Then on these, the big bolts, I flipped these around because the bumper would not go on. So I went ahead and flipped these, and then as you see, the back ones, they're flat. So that's what I went ahead and did. Same on the other side. Flat, flat. And these are gonna stick out this way, so the bumper can end up fitting. You won't have no problems, and that's pretty much it. I still cannot believe that this thing is on my freaking car. This thing is fucking awesome. Cannot wait to take it out for a spin and wash it. As you can see, it's fucking dusty. But man, this car looks so amazing now. To a wide body, to a chassis mount. Man, just cannot believe that this car is still mine. I still gotta repaint the bumper. No, it doesn't look all that great, just black and orange, but I will be painting it soon.